Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 39. Please answer my questions. Direct, directly, or direct, directly. How do you feel when someone speaks to you directly about an issue? Direction, director, or direction and director. Have you ever felt like your life was heading in the wrong direction? What did you do? Generally. In general, how do you start your day? Least, at least. What is the least favorite part of your daily routine? Selection, select. How do you select what movie to watch when you have so many choices? Wage. What do you think is a fair wage for someone just starting out in their career? Alone, on my own, or by myself? Do you enjoy being alone, or do you prefer to have company most of the time? Business, businessman. What kind of business would you start if you had the chance? Card. When was the last time you sent a card to someone? What was the occasion? English, Englishman. How long have you been studying English and what motivates you to keep learning? Fashion. How important is fashion to you when you choose your clothes? Length. What's the ideal length for a movie in your opinion? Moon, full moon. Do you ever notice the full moon and does it affect your mood? Raise. Have you ever asked your boss for a raise? How did you approach the conversation? Urge, urgent. What do you do when you feel the urge to change something in your life? Coach. Have you ever had a coach for a sport or activity? What did you learn from them? Warehouse. Have you ever visited a warehouse? What was it like? Voice. Do you like the sound of your own voice when you hear it recorded? Pressure. How do you handle pressure when you're facing a tight deadline? Beef. Have you ever tried cooking a beef dish? How did it turn out? Anxiety, anxious. What are some things that make you feel anxious? Line. Have you ever had to wait in a long line and how did you pass the time? Question. Do you enjoy asking questions or do you prefer to listen? Surprise, surprised, surprising. What's the most surprising thing you've learned recently? Team. Have you ever been part of a team? What was your role? Upper. Do you prefer to live on an upper floor or a lower one? And why? Bus. How often do you take the bus and do you enjoy the experience? Favorite. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? Interview. Have you ever had a job interview and how did it go? Society. How do you think the society has changed in the last decade? And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.